بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
All praise and thanks are Allah's, the Lord of the mankind, the jinn, and all that exists.
الرحمن الرحيم.
The most gracious, the most merciful.
مالك يوم الدين.
The only owner of the day of recompense.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Guide us to the straight way.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
The way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, not on those who earned your anger, nor those who went astray.